Today, we're going to talk about primer. What kind of primer? Well, it's a primer that came out, honestly, I think it came out over a year ago, but honestly, it is my go-to, and I want to share it with you guys. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things. It's Monument Hobby. They're back on the workbench. Now, this is a product they put out. It's probably been over a year now they put this product out, but honestly, guys, it is a great product, and I want to make sure you guys are actually seeing it out there looking for it. This is a US-based company, and this is their can of spray matte black primer. They also have a matte white, and they have a varnish primer that you can use. So, Mike, why are we talking about primers? Well, specifically, I want to talk about this one. I like this one a lot. It's kind of been my go-to, especially on my Warhammer minis, and also on resin prints. This is what I've been using to prime over the last year since this was actually released. And honestly, value, what you get, and all that is something that needs to be talked about. And I really like the value that's in this can. So we're going to talk about that today and kind of get moving forward on that. So there's multiple reasons why I like this spray paint. So one, cost, $18.50 a can. Not bad. Not a bad price for a primer that is ultra fine, ultra thin. This is a mini I've done with it. You guys can, now granted, I did a black prime with the matte black. One thing I love, the matte black. I love that it is a matte, not a gloss or just a flat. It is a matte, which gives you a lot of room to work with. Now this mini has been primed black. Then I came back with the white primer to create a zenithal, just a spray zenithal on it to help with some texture, because I'm going to be doing something with some paint pens next, and I needed the white on there to move forward with the paint pen. But you get a really good fine laydown. You don't lose detail. Fantastic thing of spray paint. So good layer quality, good work. Two, value. Vallejo. You guys notice the difference in those can sizes? Yeah. So, yeah. In here, you're getting 354 grams for $18.50. You're probably going to spend over 20 something for this can of Vallejo. You're only getting 264. Now, granted, this is a hobby paint, not a primer, but a lot of people use the Vallejo as a primer, especially on stuff for like Forge World and different things like that. Well, honestly, this guy's been taking over. And with that takeover, it's just kind of been a really good value, especially for us in the United States. They've partnered with some other colors as well, with another company that has also been released. I haven't gotten to try any of the actual different colors, but for my primer, guys, this has kind of become my go-to. My paints lay down really well on it. Even when I've had to remove it with the ultrasonic cleaner and some LA Totally Awesome, it comes right off, which is great. It doesn't fight very well. And just the lay down is really nice. And it gives me really good detail. And the zenithaling with the white just came out really well. If you guys are curious and want me to, I haven't used the varnish yet. I don't tend to varnish my models at the end. I should really get better about doing that. But I'm one of those, when I'm working on a model, am I ever truly done? Only if it's for a client. And I've been trying to use up some of my other varnishes. So I haven't gotten to use that yet. But just kind of one of those things, something to consider. If you guys are interested in this, down below is my affiliate link to Monument Hobbies, and also a discount code. And with that discount code, you can get some additional money off your order. And I'm double checking right now to see how much that actually is. And I switch here. And Monument Hobbies now is available in the EU as well, so keep that in mind. So with my coupon code, you get an additional 5% off your order. And that is down in the description down below. Hopefully you guys found this useful. Also, before we head out, if you're new here and haven't subscribed and interested in some of these products, make sure you hit that sub button. But also, I just realized the lid is taped on. There we go. It has a really nice spray nozzle. That works really well. I've had no issues with clogging or anything. This is a brand new can. I just got it in the mail today because I had to restock because I use it that much. I needed a restock. So definitely something to go check out. Give yourself a try. If you guys have had experience with it, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. And we will catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate your time. Later, guys.